Today I have a 7-minute beginner's guided meditation for you guys, for anybody that's been a little bit intimidated about sitting down for meditation or mindfulness. I'm going to walk you through this simple meditation where you can just close your eyes and listen and see how it feels for you. Remember to just start where you are. Meditation practice is not about later when you get it all together and you're this perfect person that you plan to be. I know this is very intimidating, and to be honest, I can tell you from my own experience that this was the last thing that I started doing on my path. So it's a little intimidating. We're going to sit down and we're going to spend some time with our thoughts. We don't know what's going to pop up, what we're going to have to face. But without facing them, we're never going to be able to truly grow and evolve into that person that we want to be. There's always going to be these subconscious blocks that are impeding our ability to move forward, no matter if it's with our work, relationships, no matter what avenue it is. So it's not so bad. Just do it for a few minutes, see how it feels. It's okay if you just start with 1 minute and you can't get through it, and then you come back to it. Just keep coming back little by little, and 1 minute will turn into 2, and 2 minutes will turn into 3, and before you know it, you'll be able to sit for 5 minutes, and you'll be like, wait, it's already over? So just have faith, just keep at it. If you have any questions, any concerns, if you want to try some different type of meditation, just reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help, and I'm always here for you. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. So happy to have you joining me for this short meditation. Please find a comfortable seat. Sitting up straight, maybe allowing the palms to rest on your knees. And let's start to turn our awareness inward, closing the eyes. We can bring some awareness to the breath. As we start to find some stillness, making any last adjustments to get as comfortably uncomfortable as we can in this moment. Understanding that meditation isn't about being at ease. It's about not having any attachments, any expectations, the ability to be free from the chains. Go ahead and take a nice deep inhale and exhale. Your point of focus can be the back of your eyelids, the breath, just giving ourselves some space to allow ourselves to feel whatever emotions we may have been running from, so that we can face our fears. Our lives the way that we've dreamed, with no self-doubt, living a life full of love and fulfillment. the sound of this bell as a reminder to come back. If at any point you start to drift off, just gently come back into awareness. When we cling to our thoughts and memories, we are clinging to what cannot be grasped. When we touch these phantoms and let them go, then we may discover a space, a break in the chatter, a glimpse of open sky. This is our birthright, the wisdom with which we were born, the vast unfolding display of primordial richness, primordial openness, primordial wisdom itself. All that is necessary then is to rest undistractedly in the immediate present, in this very instant in time. When one thought has ended and another has not yet begun, we can rest in that space. We train in returning to the unchanging heart of this very moment. All compassion and all inspiration come from that. Are you still with me? Let's go ahead and take one more deep inhale and exhale. And then whenever you feel ready, slowly fluttering the eyes open, bring a smile to the face. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. Come back soon. Love and light. Okay, everyone, how did that sit with you? I'm very curious to hear. Don't worry or fret about how many times you went off and started thinking about your to-do list or where you should be or what you have to do tomorrow or how uncomfortable you are or you can't sit up straight or your muscles are tired. I'm sure we all had many times where we weren't concentrating on that one point of focus. And that's perfectly normal, and that's okay. We just need to be gentle with ourselves and kind. Imagine how you are with a baby when they're crying. Just remember that thought each time you start to go off and start thinking again. Gently pull yourself back into awareness, into the present moment, and be kind and compassionate with yourself. That is the best advice that I've ever received from the many teachers that I've learned from. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.